If you want to reset your settings because they don't load correctly or the app constantly crashes, then follow the instructions of this video where you will learn 3 methods that will teach you how to reset your settings on Windows 11 in a quick and easy way. First, open your Start menu. Right-click Settings. Select App Settings. Look for the Reset section. If settings isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The settings data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If settings still isn't working right, reset it. The settings data will be deleted. Now press Reset. This will permanently delete the settings data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Now press Reset again. Now open your settings. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell's frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now open your settings.